Yo my bro, yo my sis. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can save 10, 20 or 30,000 naira and above from all the money you've been spending on data as a subscriber of some major network providers in Nigeria and other African countries. Now, if you're in Nigeria, you are either using MTN, AIRTEL, GLO or other networks. So I believe this video is for you. Now, I won't just be teaching you how you save money. I will as well teach you how you can make money with this same process without having to step out from your room. And this will not be shere or long talks because we are starting right now. So for example, I use MTN and you can still do this with other networks, okay? But I'm going to use MTN for this. Now, as a Nigerian, when you want to buy data online, what you just do is you dial on your phone, *131#. That's for MTN subscribers, right? And you follow the on-screen instructions, data plans. And usually for myself, I do select weekly plans. And then I usually go for number 3, which is what? 500 naira for 1.5 gig. But you know what? Let's learn something new right now. So I come to this website, okay? And then I refresh real quick. And then what do? I just come to buy data. Before then, remember, I've funded my account. So, but I'm going to tell you, I'm going to come to that later in this video. So I just click on buy data. And then I select my network, MTN, okay? I select SME, okay? And then I come down here, put my phone number, and then I go to plans. What plan are we looking at? We are looking at 2 gig for 480 naira. 2 gig for 480 naira. Meanwhile, this one is saying what? 500 naira for 1.5 gig. Okay, now if I select this right now, I'm going to pay 480. Now take a look at my balance, and then I will pass number validator and I click on buy now. Do you want to? Are you sure? I say yes. Successful. You've purchased. Can you see? Can you just see this message right now? It just popped up. You've received 2 gig from this. Have you seen? This is instant. This is instant. Now I just click out, and if you look up, if I refresh right now, you will see that my balance has reduced. Now, before you rush down to the video description to go and sign up on this website and start buying data, remember there is a way, there is something I did for mine to come down as low as that 480. Now, if you come to the website, if you scroll down to the website, you will see a whole lot of cheap subscription data, 500 naira for this. You will see a whole lot of cheap way for you to subscribe, way cheaper than the normal ones that these network providers offer you. But there is still a way I get mine cheaper, and I'm going to tell you right now. Now, first of all, when you sign up on this website using the link in my video description on YouTube, what you are going to do is to, first of all, upgrade your account to an affiliate. Look at this. This is package affiliates. And how much does it cost? Just 2,000 naira. Now, it doesn't mean that if you don't upgrade to an affiliate that you can buy data cheaper, but when you're an affiliate, it is going to be even cheaper. You say I got mine 480, and even when you check other plans, okay, when you check other plans, let's just take a look real quick. Let's just take a look. Let's go for MTN again. We go for SME. And remember, sometimes when you don't see this SME, you can still go for gifting or corporate gifting. And you can still see other plans there. But usually, this is the cheapest for me. And then I select my phone number and then plan. Now, take a look at this. 10 gig goes for 2,004. 10 gig goes for 2,004. 5 gig for 1,002. This is about the cheapest. 5 gig for 1,002. 10 gig 2,004. Now, if you go to the website and you look, 10 gig here is 2,500. Have you seen? Meanwhile, here, 10 gig is what? 2,400. That is because I upgraded my account to an affiliate. So, how do you upgrade to an affiliate? When you just sign up, there is no special verification needed. Just sign up with your normal phone number, MTN or AIRTEL. And then, when you scroll down, just scroll down a bit, you'll see transactions, you'll see wallet summary, you will see upgrade to top user. When is your first time? What you're going to see is upgrade to affiliate. Because I've upgraded to affiliate, is now telling me to upgrade to a top user. Now, when I upgrade to this top user, I will just pay a one-time fee of 5,000 naira. And believe you me, the data and airtime and other things are even going to be cheaper than it is right now for me. Okay, right now, so let me just navigate you through this website. And remember that you can still make money from this website. You can still make money, and I'm going to tell you how you can make money. 2 major ways that you're going to make money with this website. Okay, and believe you me, you're going to withdraw. You can withdraw your money if you come down. If you download the app from here, or you come to account, you can see where you can put in, where you can update your account details for receiving payments. Okay, right now, or you can use the app too. On the app, everything is well arranged there and you can still withdraw your money. Okay, right now, so when you just sign up, after signing up, you just click on fund wallet, or you just come down here and you see an account number that is assigned to you. This is mine, Waterford one. So I'll just send money to this account number. The bank is telling bank this, or I can use Fidelity Bank and transfer. Once I transfer in less than 30 minutes, 10 to 30 minutes, refresh, the money is going to be here. Okay, and once it's here, you can now do what? Proceed to buy your data, airtime, or anything that you want to do. Okay, now that is one way that you can be buying data for yourself at a very cheap rate. Okay, now we come down to what everyone has been waiting for. How do we actually make money from this website? Now everyone in Nigeria uses data. Okay, now everyone, every day millions and billions of naira is going in data subscription. Okay, now some of us are actually very bold entrepreneurs and they can just go on their WhatsApp status and advertise, hello guys, I sell data, this for this and this. They'll just make up all this. Now if you want to put all of this there, what you just have to do is all these ones that are 140, you can just put it 145. Okay, 150, 250. Don't be greedy about it. This 1 gig that is 250, you can just put, let's say, 270 or 300. Okay, and make a list that way and post on your WhatsApp status. Now you can as well go, if you don't have a lot of contacts, you can as well go beyond that. And how do you do that? You go to Instagram. When you log into Instagram, when you're on your Instagram account and you go to your profile, okay? When you go to your profile, you can, it must not even be your own, it must not even be your own account. You can just create an account for business, or you can create the personal one you've been using. And when you come down to any of your posts, let me take for example this post. Let's say this is an image I posted. So take for example this post now. What you just have to do is what? Click on this boost post. When you click on boost post, you're going to run ads. You're going to run an ad. And you don't even need to spend too much on ad. You can just decide to spend just 10,000 naira or 5,000 naira or whatever amount you have on ads, because here you're going to get a larger audience to see that. Okay, now you just have to come here and make sure that you are selling just a little bit above all of this. Okay, and someone might just sit and be like, wow, is this for real? A lot of people do data in bulk. Some people do 10,000 naira data, some people do 5,000 naira data, some people even do some people can do as much as 50,000 naira at once. And when they see that you're offering a way cheaper price than MTN themselves, that's going to be a massive profit for you. And this is just unlimited. Now you don't even need to have money inside here. You don't need to come and loot 500,000 naira inside here. No, even if you don't have any money inside here and you just get an order. Okay, how do we do it? And just make sure you are a very straightforward person, and make sure you are trustworthy, so that when people send you money, you just deliver. And once someone sends you money to your personal account, just transfer it here. And once you have the money loaded up here, you click on this buy data. Okay, when you click on buy data, of course, the same way we went from here, SME. Okay, now the phone number is not going to be the person's phone number. Okay, and then you select the plan, put the amount, and you proceed. And that way, instantly the person is going to receive his or her data. Okay, now this platform is pretty simple. There is nothing so technical. There is nothing technical here. Even the app too. From the app, you can still see other features. And from here, you can download the app. Click on download the app after signing up via the link in my video description here on YouTube. Okay. So there is nothing so special. If you want to contact support, you can click on WhatsApp and see their phone number and contact their support. Frequently ask questions, notifications, and every other thing that you need to know. Okay. So I recommend you do that. Sign up and upgrade your account. Upgrade your account to affiliate. Upgrade your account to affiliate or a top user, and you will have your data even way cheaper. Okay, that's what I have to say about this video. You can run your ads on Facebook, not just Instagram. You can run your ad on Facebook, you can run your ad on Instagram, you can run on Twitter, you can run them concurrently. Okay, but make sure you don't spend too much in the beginning. Just do a little bit and watch the results, then do again, and then you can advertise if you know people that do data, companies, you have a link to your company. It's not just hello sir, how is business, how is work, hello this and this and this and flexing. That moment that you use to go out to have some fun time, you can chip in. Then you people do data very big, right? You do up to 100k data in a month. Why I can give you that same amount for just 80k or 90k, and when you come here and check the price, it might even be around 75,000 naira or 74,000, or even way cheaper when you are upgraded to that affiliate or top user. Okay, so, and this is just an unlimited way to make money online. It's not that you do it and government is limiting it or this and that and that. You just have to be consistent and keep advertising what you do, and you will be making your revenue. Thank you so much for watching till this point. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you didn't enjoy this one, smash dislike 2 times and tell me why in the comment section. And I recommend you share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so other people too can gain true value from the videos that I share online. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Peace.